Hi guys, welcome to the video. So in this video I will be showing how to delete blank rows with a single click using macro. In here, as you can see, I have a data having serial number, product category, price and the payment method. I am also having blank rows in the middle, the rows which are completely empty. So I will be deleting those completely empty rows only. This row will be deleted and also this row will be deleted and also this one, because all these rows are completely empty. I will give a color to those empty rows so it will be easily identified. This row. So for that I will be creating a macro. A lot of people think that you need to convert the working file into macro enabled Excel. In this case, the one which I am working now, you don't need to convert that file. Here is a simple trick that I always use. What you can do is create a separate Excel file, save all your favorite macros inside that file and save that file as a macro enabled Excel file. Keep that Excel file open in the background. And by doing this, you can run the macro in every Excel file. Even though the Excel file which you're working is not a macro enabled Excel file, you can run the macro in that file. I'll be creating a macro for this one. As I told you, I already created an Excel file in the desktop which is called as macro. I have the macro saved in this Excel file. See, this is the macro, delete completely blank rows. If I click at it, you can see this is the code which I already added in this Excel file. And I will be providing you this exact code in the description. You can download the code from the description link. For those who doesn't know how to add a VBA code in the Excel file, you can go to developer tab. If you doesn't have the developer tab as a default, right click somewhere here and customize the ribbon. Tick the developer, then click OK. Going to developer tab, Visual Basic, Insert, Module. You can paste the VBA code here and press Ctrl S to save it. So the macro code is already here in the Excel file. This is the Excel file which has macro in it, named as macro. Whatever the favorite macro you have, you can add in this Excel file, and while you're working, let this file open in the background. So I'm just minimizing this file, and this is the Excel file which I'm currently working. We need to delete the whole empty blank rows. So in here itself, I will go to developer, then click on macro. So the macro is getting from the Excel file which I already opened in the background. So we can run this macro. All completely blank rows deleted successfully. Okay. So all the red highlighted rows are deleted. We can do this once again. Let me delete the data in this column, and also for the number 6 I will delete, and let the number 4 remain the same as cash, and I will highlight it as whatever the colors. Maybe I will give yellow, and also here yellow. So these are the row 7 and 11 are the complete empty rows. If I run the macro again, developer macro, all completely blank rows deleted successfully again. So that's all for the video. If you like this video, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you next time. Bye.